Hi, I'm Kathy and welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to make something a little different, not dessert wise. I am going to make some little finger foods. So when you have little ones around or you want to make something really super easy but fun and very festive, here's some little appetizers that you can make. And I don't know, I've seen them at different parties and some call them caprese salad on a stick. But I've got a little bit more than just tomato and basil and cheese. So if you can see, I've got a little bit of turkey sausage on the bottom, a cucumber, a cherry tomato, basil leaf, fresh basil, and a piece of mozzarella cheese. And I'm going to put this in a pretty dish. And in the center, I'm making some creamy Italian dipping sauce for this. And so let's get making these little cute little tasty yummy little appetizers, or salad on a stick is what I'd call it too. It's super easy to do. Just I've got some mozzarella sticks and I cut them up in little pieces like this, and some fresh basil leaves. I cut up the cucumbers. I have the turkey sausage bites to keep calories down a little bit, and then I managed to find these shorter little skewers. And as far as the dipping sauce goes, I put in a half a cup of sour cream, some creamy Italian garlic Marie's dressing. I chopped up some of the red pepper, bell pepper. I have a red bell pepper that I cored out, and I'm going to use this as a dish. Cut the bottom a little bit so you can have it sit straight in this and get a nice tray. And so here I am putting together these little skewers. Super easy to do. Let's get a couple of turkey sausages out here. Just be careful, don't poke yourself. And this is something fun to do with the kids too. So if you've got family visiting and you have little ones, they can help you make this, and that would be kind of a fun thing. Just make sure that they don't poke themselves with the skewers. That's the only thing. And voila, you have a very festive green and red and white little appetizer or salad on a stick. That's kind of fun. Instead of having a big salad, these are kind of nice. People can just grab it and dip it into the sauce. You can do different sauces also. Doesn't have to be the one that I'm making. And there you go. See how easy this is? You could also take some balsamic glaze and spread it and just kind of sprinkle it on top of the skewers, and that would give you kind of the caprese type of salad. Okay, here we are with this beautiful, nice, easy, quick appetizer tray. Aren't those adorable? They're so easy to make. And then there's my attempt of a poinsettia or something, trying to cut from the top of the pepper. But I guess it came out okay. So here's one. I put a little bit of the creamy Italian garlic sauce on there, and I'll have the recipe down below as to what I use to make this. And tell your kids, don't go like that, because you're going to poke yourself with this skewer. Either take it all off the skewer and eat it, or do like I'm doing and take them off a little bit at a time. So super easy, So much fun. Beautiful presentation for the holidays or whenever. So I hope you like this video. Give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, share with your friends, and click on that little bell, you know, the one up there, over there by the subscribe button, so that you get notified of my next video. Until tomorrow, happy Vlogmas Day 21. Bye.